Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. Today, we're going to be talking about replacement pins, rollers, and washers for the team primary clutches on the Arctic Cat snowmobiles and Wildcat XX models. If you like what you hear, just click the link below. It'll take you right to the website. If you want to hear the rest of the information on it, just keep listening. Team primary clutches, 2016 to 2022 Arctic Cat snowmobiles, and the Wildcat XX from 2018 to 2022, except the Black Hills edition. Basically, the models with the team clutch. We're talking about the rollers that the weight's right on, the pins that slide in them, and then the washers that go over them that complete that whole assembly. These are the Speedwerx version of this. These are non-serviceable parts from the manufacturer, so you can't even service them stock unless you have extra clutches to take them out of. So we've made this an option. They're 100% made in the USA. They're made right here at Speedwerx. You can buy it as a full kit for $179.95. You can buy them individually, one tower or one roller that's going bad on your clutch when you're servicing it. You can just do that too. A lot of companies only let you buy the kit. We're going to let you do it either way. So then you have the clutch pins. These retail for $18.95 individually. Then you have the roller with the bushing. They're $35.95. And then the washers, you can buy them individually. It'll take up to 6 of them, but they're $5.42 a piece. Again, if you only need to do one roller assembly, you can sometimes reuse your stock washers, or you can get the new ones. You can pick and piece what parts you want and what parts you don't want. So you can buy those parts individually, or you can buy it as a whole kit for $179.95. We'll show you on some B-roll here, but I've got a sample of a bad roller here. You can see where the hardness of the roller or the hardness of the weight broke down, deteriorated, got some foreign debris in it, whatever, but it's failed. It's sloppy, and the surface is not smooth like it should be. This other one on here is going. And then here is another. This is a good used clutch. You can see where the weight was riding, but the surface is still smooth. The roller still rolls smooth. There's no rough spots. There's no flat spots. It's still in good working order. You combine this to all the other options we have for servicing these clutches. You know, with the tower mod, where if your buttons wear or break and they eat up your towers, we can modify that. We have our Vestfel buttons, and we have our Torlon buttons to replace the stock ones as well. We're trying to salvage and squeeze as much life out of these clutches as we can. There's still some available, but they're pretty hard to find. But if you've got one and you want to stay on top of it, you like it, you want to salvage it, we can upgrade everything for you and put some really good, tough, beefy parts in it. So yeah, again, pins, rollers, washers, or the whole kit for the 2016 to 2022 Arctic Cat snowmobiles and the 18 to 22 Wildcat XX models, the team primary clutch rebuild kits. If you guys got any questions, let us know.